Welcome to our ultimate grooming guide. In this video, we'll share 10 essential body care habits for men, helping you look and feel your best. Habit 1. Start with a refreshing shower. Use a mild cleanser to remove dirt and excess oil from your skin. Don't forget to clean your armpits, groin, and feet. Habit 2. Exfoliate regularly. Scrub away dead skin cells with a body scrub or loofah. This will leave your skin smoother and healthier. Habit 3. Moisturize, moisturize, moisturize. Apply a body lotion or cream daily to keep your skin hydrated and prevent dryness. Habit 4. Take care of your hands. Trim your nails regularly and moisturize your hands to avoid rough, dry, or cracked skin. Habit 5. Don't overlook your feet. Use a pumice stone to remove rough patches and calluses. Apply foot cream to keep your feet soft and odor-free. Habit 6. Pamper your face. Establish a skincare routine that includes cleansing, exfoliating, moisturizing, and protecting your skin from harmful UV rays with sunscreen. Habit 7. Maintain oral hygiene. Brush your teeth at least twice a day and don't forget to floss. Regular dental checkups are crucial for your overall health. Habit 8. Stay well groomed. Trim your facial hair, keep your eyebrows tidy, and make sure your hair is neatly styled. Habit 9. Embrace a healthy lifestyle. Eat nutritious foods, exercise regularly, get enough sleep, and limit alcohol consumption for a vibrant appearance. Habit 10. Protect your skin. Apply sunscreen with at least SPF 30 before going out, even on cloudy days. This simple habit can prevent premature aging and reduce the risk of skin cancer. That's it for our 10 essential body care habits for men. Remember, these habits are not just about looking good but also about taking care of your overall well-being. Thanks for watching our video. If you found it helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more grooming tips and tricks. Take care and stay fabulous.